Hi, this is John with WTI, and I was looking for a good option for one of my biggest friends. She's trying to start her main business, and I already have some experience with tripods and all that. But when I found this guy, this tripod is just a great. It's a sturdy. The whole construction is built like a tank. Great materials. It has a great bearable options that you can actually mount the phone in different degrees. You can rotate 360 the whole ring light. The light is really strong. It's so strong. It has this bearable light settings. So when I was looking for it, and one of the things that I like the most from this ring light is how it's everything built. It gives you so much flexibility for you just to move around, do different options of your shots, and it gives you even different options that you can hold your phone and another device at the same time, two of them that it can actually work as one. So this is a great option, and I've loved how everything works with this ring light that I'm even considering an extra one for me right now. But this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.